Welcome to today's video. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by managing a growing amount of data in Google Sheets, or if you've faced challenges in keeping your data consistent and accessible, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a simple yet pivotal concept that could revolutionize the way you manage your databases in Google Sheets: the power of using unique IDs. Stay tuned as we dive into the reasons why implementing unique IDs is a must for anyone looking to improve data management and efficiency. Let's start with the basics. A unique ID is a specific identifier assigned to each row in a database. This ID is unique across the table and often consists of numbers, letters, or a combination of both. But why is this simple concept so important? Let's find out. Imagine a database without unique IDs. It's like trying to find a book in a library with no catalog system. You might eventually find what you're looking for, but it takes unnecessary time and effort. Unique IDs serve as your data catalog. Here are the key reasons to use unique IDs in your Google Sheets database. Unique IDs help in maintaining a structured data environment, making it easier to locate and differentiate each record, no matter how similar they appear. With unique IDs, each data entry stands alone. This setup prevents issues like data duplication or record mismatch, ensuring that each entry is accurate and retained correctly. In more complex databases that span multiple sheets or even multiple databases, unique IDs are crucial. They allow you to link data across different tables easily and accurately, enhancing the depth of your data analysis. As you can see, unique IDs are not just a convenience. They are essential for maintaining a robust and efficient database in Google Sheets. They save you time, preserve your data's integrity, and make your database scalable and reliable. Generating distinctive identifiers is now simpler than ever with DataUniX, our free complimentary Google Sheets extension. So go grab it now. Thanks for watching.